If you're watching this video, you probably clicked on it because without knowing it, you were attracted to the light you saw on my face. Now, this is not a physical light. As you can see, my face is very dark. This is a spiritual light. And if you want to grow your light, it's a very powerful thing you can do because you will begin to attract the right people and repel the wrong people. I use the principles of light to grow my following on social media from 0 to 500,000 followers in less than 6 months. You can check that out at Jesse on Keeley across different platforms. But how do you grow your light? Well, there's 3 ways I want to discuss right now. The first way is to be generous. The second way is to do it daily. Be generous daily. And the third way is to do it where you can be seen. If you hide it under a bowl, no one's going to see your light. So if you grow your light, you will attract the right people and repel the wrong people. But a lot of people get this part wrong, and that is, what is the purpose of light? Is it just to make myself look good, to gain followers, or is there a deeper purpose? And there's actually multiple purposes. The first one is that we may know that God is our Savior, our Redeemer, the Mighty One of Jacob. The second one is to honor God. We find this in Isaiah 60, verse 9. The next one is to display God's splendor. This is something that people observe with their eyes. They see your life. They see the splendor of God on your life because you're walking in the light. And therefore, you display God's splendor. The next one is to proclaim the excellencies of God. Now, this one requires us to open our mouths and talk about it. And so that's example what I'm doing here right now. It could be something you talk about at the dinner table. It could be something you post about on social media. But it's to proclaim the excellencies of God. And the fifth and final purpose of light that I want to talk about in this video is to save others. If someone's walking in darkness, then they are attracting the wrong people, and all the right people aren't able to find them. If you want to be found by the right people in your life, you have a brand that you want to grow, check down below. There's a link to a book a call with me. I will chat with you there and we can discuss how to apply light into your business.